Mother Nature is a force unlike any other. One moment, everything is calm. The next, chaos erupts out of nowhere. From devastating floods to tornadoes ripping towns apart, today we're looking at the most terrifying natural disasters ever caught on camera. Buckle up, because things are about to get intense. First up, we have Mother Nature versus modern engineering, and let's just say, nature always wins. In Puerto Rico, relentless floodwaters ripped this bridge straight from its foundation like it was made of paper. Imagine being one of those construction workers, watching in sheer disbelief as the structure crumbles before their eyes. 1 second, the bridge is there. The next, it's gone. Talk about an expensive oopsie. This is what happens when water decides to take your bus for a ride. No ticket required. In Himachal Pradesh, India, raging floodwaters swept away this entire bus. And thankfully, yes, thankfully, no one was inside. But imagine if someone was. That's a real-life horror movie right there. This is why you never underestimate the power of a raging river. Okay, so parking is already a nightmare in most places, but this next level frustration. One moment, these cars were sitting peacefully. The next, they were buried under a mountain of snow. Just imagine coming back to your car and realizing there is no car anymore. I mean, how do you even start shoveling that? This monstrous tornado is the definition of destruction. Look at how it rips apart everything in its path. Debris flying, buildings collapsing, sheer chaos everywhere. Tornadoes are terrifying enough on their own, but seeing one this up close, nightmare fuel. If I ever saw something like this, I'd be gone faster than you can say storm shelter. This is the giant Buddha of Leishan, an iconic 230-foot-tall statue that has stood for over 1,200 years. But even legends aren't safe from nature's fury. In 2019, heavy rain triggered a landslide that tore down part of the mountain. It obliterated an entire construction project. Thankfully, all the workers were safe, but the Buddha's feet, which have withstood centuries of erosion, are now at risk. Imagine how much history could be lost with just one more disaster. Texas weather is a roller coaster. 1 minute, sunshine. The next, total destruction. This homeowner was outside working when, suddenly, a supercell thunderstorm rolled in. With 68 miles per hour winds, his door nearly flew off its hinges. Just look at that force.
Oh, shit! Oh, shit! God damn! Holy shit! What the fuck?
This wasn't even a tornado, just the sheer power of the storm itself. If this is what a weak storm looks like, I don't want to see a strong one. You've heard of going down with a ship, but this restaurant owner, he went up with the roof. A powerful storm in China turned an outdoor restaurant into a launch pad, and one poor guy held on for dear life. Watch closely. There he goes, flying through the air, before crashing through his own ceiling. June 25th, 2023, central Indiana faced a storm system from hell. With hail the size of baseballs and 4 tornadoes touching down, one local dad was just grilling on his balcony when he spotted the storm moving in. Yep, he knew it was time to get inside. The tornado hit peak EF2 intensity, with 115 miles per hour winds tearing through neighborhoods. Doors flew open, windows shattered, and even an RV flipped over. Thankfully, no serious injuries, but this was a storm people won't forget anytime soon. Ever wondered what it's like to be on a boat during a storm? Well, Storm Imogen made sure these passengers got the full experience. With 96 miles per hour winds, this ferry was tossed around like a toy boat, sending passengers sliding across the floor. Driving through the mountains is always risky, but this, next level terrifying. In Yunnan, China, a massive rock slide sent boulders the size of cars crashing down onto a highway. One driver, watching in horror from his dash cam, barely escaped in time. Imagine seeing giant rocks tumbling straight toward you. What do you even do? Thankfully, the driver of the crushed car survived, but the vehicle completely totaled. Just 1 second later, and the outcome could have been much worse. Taiwan is no stranger to earthquakes, but this one felt like something out of a movie. A commuter caught the exact moment a highway overpass started shaking violently. Cars wobbled, a bus nearly tipped over, and for a split second, it felt like the entire road was about to collapse. Earthquakes are unpredictable and merciless. Just a few seconds of shaking, and an entire city can change forever.
地震！
好水仅有生活圈，
中正汉口街品家77，
国外特区核心热区站前商圈，
高规格精品住宅，亲民价格，物超所值，是您入住台北市的最佳选。
Which of these moments shocked you the most? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay safe, because you never know when nature will strike next.